This is Dr. Kshipra Wadikar. Subject is Engineering Mathematics 3. Topic is Method of Variation of Parameters. It comes under Differential Equations of Higher Order. Here we will consider a differential equation of the type a d2y by dx square plus b dy by dx plus cy equal to fx, where a, b, c are constants. Order of this differential equation is 2. So let us consider a differential equation a d2y by dx square plus b dy by dx plus cy equal to fx, where a, b, c are constants. Solution of this differential equation 1, we call this differential equation as 1, is given by y equal to yc plus yp, where yc is the complementary function and yp is the particular integral. So as usual, solution is y equal to yc plus yp, where yc is the complementary function and yp is called as particular integral. So yc is given by c1y1 plus c2y2, where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constants and y1 and y2 can be found out using auxiliary equation. Yp is given by uy1 plus vy2, where u and v are the functions of x to be determined such that yp satisfies the given differential equation. We define a determinant w as determinant of y1, y2, y1 derivative, y2 derivative is the second row. This determinant is called as Wronskian. So u is defined as integration of minus y2 by w fx dx, and v is defined as integration of y1 by w fx dx. So yp is given by u y1 plus v y2, where u and v are the functions of x to be determined such that yp satisfies the given differential equation. We have to first find out the Wronskian w. The first row of this determinant w is y1 y2, second row is y1 derivative, y2 derivative. Then we can calculate u and v. We will discuss one example. We want to solve d2y by dx square plus y equal to cosec x using method of variation of parameters. So for this differential equation, our auxiliary equation is d square plus 1 equal to 0. So we can write yc as c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Our format for yc is c1 y1 plus c2 y2. So we compare this yc with c1 y1 plus c2 y2. So our y1 is cos x, y2 is sin x. Let us form the Wronskian w. The determinant w is first row cos x sin x, second row is minus sin x cos x. As we solve this determinant, we will get cos square x plus sin square x. So our Wronskian, that is determinant w, is 1. Now yp is uy1 plus vy2, where u is integration of minus y2 by w fx dx. Let's put these values. So we will get integration of minus sin x into cosec x dx. That comes out to be integration of minus dx. So it is minus x. For v, we have integration of y1 by w fx dx. So as we put the values, we will get v as integration of cot x dx. So V is log of sin x. So Yp is Uy1 plus Vy2. Let's put the value. So Yp is minus x cos x plus sin x into log of sin x. And then we can write the solution y as Yc plus Yp. Thank you.